The 1992 Los Angeles riots marked one of the most significant turning points in modern American history. Triggered by a acquittal of 4 police officers charged with the beating of Rodney King, the unrest lasted 6 days, leaving more than 60 people dead, thousands injured, and widespread destruction across Los Angeles. Beyond the immediate human and economic cost, the riots exposed deep divisions surrounding policing and inequality within the United States. For law enforcement, the events highlighted the limitations of traditional police strategies. Agencies struggled to respond quickly to rapidly changing situations, revealing weaknesses in communication, coordination, and resource deployment. The riots prompted police departments across the country to reassess how they prepared for large-scale civil unrest. In the years that followed, policing became increasingly shaped by technology and centralized command systems. Departments invested in advanced communication networks, real-time surveillance tools, and aerial monitoring, in addition to integrated command centers designed to improve situational awareness during some of these incidents. These systems enabled faster decision-making and more coordinated responses across multiple agencies. At the same time, many departments adopted specialized tactical units and expanded the use of military-style equipment, armored vehicles, protective gear, and advanced crowd control tactics became more common during high-risk operations. While supporters have argued these changes improved officer safety and emergency preparedness, critics have often questioned whether they contributed to the growing militarization of civilian policing. The riots, though, also renewed interest in community policing. Many departments recognized that effective policing required more than emergency response. It depended on building trust with local communities before a crisis would emerge. Officers were encouraged to engage more closely with residents, businesses, schools, and community organizations in an effort to strengthen communication and reduce long-term tensions. The influence of these reforms extended beyond the United States. Policing agencies around the world studied the Los Angeles riots when developing strategies for managing protests, civil disturbances, and large-scale public gatherings. Advances in surveillance technology and intelligence, in addition to interagency coordination, became increasingly common in urban centers around the globe. More than 3 decades later, the legacy of the 1992 Los Angeles riots remains relevant. The events continue to shape conversations about policing, public accountability, racial justice, and the balance between public safety and civil liberties. While technology and tactics have evolved considerably, many of the underlying questions raised in this event remain at the center of public debate. The story of the Los Angeles riot is not only about the moment of crisis, it's also about how one event transformed policing strategies, influenced public policy, and sparked an ongoing discussion about the relationship between law enforcement and the communities that they serve to this very day. As always, thanks again for listening, and please, wander always, but please, wander safely. Do not forget to like and subscribe.